So basically our study was looking at the effect of speech rhythm on speech rate to find out if effects from a previous study where speech rhythm affected perception of a function word, if that effect was due to a perceived difference in speech rate or whether it was due solely to the speech rhythm.
So we found that speech rhythm actually affects how we perceive a sentence. So various pitches in a sentence will allow us to perceive a sentence as faster.
However, we did not find a difference between our two rhythm conditions, which shows that the effects found in the previous study of function word perception were solely due to the rhythm and not an effect of an interaction between rhythm and perceived speech rate.